Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Available anywhere that accepts PayPal, as well as thousands of other online stores, PayPal Credit lets you hold off paying for purchases for up to 6 months without any interest. Like any credit card, PayPal Credit will charge you for late payments.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
While Amazon does not directly accept PayPal payments, there are workarounds that allow you to use your PayPal account to buy things from Amazon. The process of using a PayPal balance to shop with Amazon is at least a 2-step process and may require a few days of patience, so plan ahead.
Take our lead.
You cannot advance money for yourself. PayPal Credit's cash advance feature allows users to send money to friends or family. You cannot use this feature to send funds to yourself. When you advance cash on your credit card, you get money yourself and can use it immediately.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.